Hi guys, so I am here with a update on what I think of the hairpiece that I got from Wigs4Less, WIGS, the number 4, LESS on Instagram. Link everything below. So first off the bat, this was if you recall, if you saw my previous video, I'll link below. This is a hair topper that I received with my own money. I paid for it myself, so this isn't sponsored or affiliated in any way. I had purchased from her before. This piece, I will take it off and I'll show you. This is a silk top she made, if you can see. I'm going to try to get in as close as I can so you can see how the topper looks. It almost looks like it's growing out of the scalp. Minimal. It's normal to have some hair loss, shedding. You're going to see that. I really didn't see much of anything. So this was roughly about 130 to 140 density. It is about just here and it has clips going all the way around. So it is just on the top part of your head. So all this underneath is all my own hair. See how different it is, the color? It's really not the same. That's really something, right? Now watch when I go to take this off. So I'm going to start to take this off, this piece off, and it has clips going all the way around, pressure sensitive clips. And then this is the last clip. So this is my own hair, everybody. I wore this all day long and it doesn't bother me. This is the makeup of it. So you have, this is your silk top right here. You have your pressure sensitive clips in the front to secure it, 2 on the sides and 2 in the back. So there's 6 combs, or barrettes I should say, pressure sensitive combs all together. And look how nice those are. Those are pretty nice quality. They definitely grab the hair great. I've had some that don't, so she definitely uses some good stuff. The hair color on here, it's going to state how long it is, and the color on there, if you can read that. I'm going to see here. So you're looking at, you probably can't read it. It says 22 inches, which it definitely was in my prior video. And then it's 22, which is the blonde going through it. And then it's rooted, or dark rooted I should say, up and through here and throughout with a level 6, which is considered like a light brown in most cases. 22 is considered a blonde. I did alter this. I cut it so it's definitely shorter. It's definitely not 22 inches now. I would say it's about between 14 and 16 inches. And I also did a little bit of coloring. I just did a little bit of a darker, which is, I just went over it with a 6 again just to reinforce the dark root, because it just seemed like it was not quite penetrating enough for me. So for most you wouldn't even notice, but I like my hair, as you can tell, just a tiny bit darker so it blends. And so that's the make of it. And I'm gonna actually, wait, hold on, before I flip it, I'm gonna open up all these clips, make sure there's no hair inside of it. The best method to do, it's better to have a brush obviously, but I usually will brush a little bit forward here, flip it around, and then when I place this on, I'm going to place it kind of a little bit towards the back. I line up my part where I kind of want it, where I have an idea where I want it, and then I start going around and I secure all the clips. It takes about 2 seconds to do it. Saves a lot of time on your hair in the morning. And then, that was my own hair there, and then that's it. So, and that's not even looking in the mirror. I'm just looking into the camera on my phone. Hold on a second. It's much better once you obviously put it in front of a mirror, but this is not even a mirror. And I think it looks pretty good, guys. I mean, it definitely mimics scalp, and it feels wonderful on. You can wear it up if you'd like. The hair quality is phenomenal. Shipping is wonderful. Shipping, I actually told Tammy which one I wanted, which hair topper that I saw that I liked on her Instagram account. And from there, I believe I paid altogether, it was $8.90. It was quite a bit. However, if you want to walk around with a good quality product that you feel comfortable in at work, out with friends, that is undetectable, it's not baby doll like hair, it's high quality premium hair that is more of a European silky, She has a bunch of other stuff as well, but look at that. I don't mind paying for that. I've paid for these twice already, and my last one I'm still using. It's long as you take care of the hair like your own and don't over process, over dry, and so on and so forth, it should last you quite a while. It's definitely an investment, but aren't a lot of things investments in life. So I will link my info below at what you can do. I'll link Tammy's info as well. If you want, let her know that I sent you, and you guys will receive the best discount possible. I don't get any kickback from it. I was just out here to do a little demonstration and show you a little bit about it and my thoughts after roughly 2 weeks of what I thought of it. So here it is. Looking great, still holding up wonderful. The hair is really dry straight. I just scrunched it today to make it a little bit wavier, but as you can see, it takes wave pretty well, and then it's super easy, super easy to straighten. So I hope this helps, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You can become one of the family, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Love, peace, and happiness. The Hair Guru.